What's cracking, guys? It's Steve here. Here's my take on Dai Vernon's Triumph card trick. Let's say we have a spectator choose a card at complete random, the 4 of spades. We take that card and we lose it in the pack by giving it a couple of cuts. There's 1 and there's 2. Now here's the interesting part. We're going to take half of the cards face up and the other half face down. And we're going to riffle shuffle them in that fashion. Like so. Let's give it a complete shuffle. Now you can see some of them are face to back, some of them are back to back. It's just a complete and utter mess, as you can see. All I have to do is wave my hand over and snap. And somehow, some way, the cards straighten themselves out except for their selection. Now let's see how that's done. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial to the Triumph card trick. Now this is just the way that I've been doing it for many years. There are plenty of versions out there, but please learn my one. And there is no setup whatsoever. You can shuffle the cards in the beginning, it's entirely up to you. So you have a spectator choose a card at complete random. And in this case we're going to use the, okay then, the 4 of spades, just like in the beginning. I didn't plan that, by the way. So we'll place that right there. So you take their selection, and their selection actually goes on top of the pack, like so. And then you proceed to do the false cuts. Now these false cuts that I've done in the demonstration, I've actually taught them in a previous video. So make sure you click on this link right around here. Go learn those first and then come back. I'll wait for you. Okay, welcome back. So now that their selection is on top, you do the false cuts. After you've done that, you then take half of the pack, lift it up, and take the bottom half, and then you flip that over on the table and spread it. And then you spread the face down pack. And what you're doing here is you're just showing the spectator that half of them are face up, half are face down. If you missed that, I'll do it again for you. Okay, so we're at that position here. Their selection is on top. So all you do is you lift half, and the other half you take and you turn face up, and these face down. Cool. Then you square them up, and then you do the false riffle shuffle, which by now hopefully you've all learnt. And you should now be in this position right here. You have half of the cards face down, the other half face up, and the single card that's face down on the top is the 4 of spades, their selection. Okay? Now you don't do that though. Don't go, look at this. Not as impressive. So you're in that position there. This is how you show the cards are all completely mixed up. You grab just above the bottom and you say, well, we've got face to back. You cut just above the top and say some are back to back, because you want to display back to back, and they all think they're completely mixed, and you just proceed to show a different amount of cards that they're all mixed up. And on the last time that you do this, you want to look for the halfway mark where the face down cards meet the face up, and you can actually see it. I don't know if the camera can see it, but you can actually see that there. And all you do is you lift up lightly, and you should be able to pick up exactly halfway, and then you place them down just like that. And however you want to display the cards at the end, you can snap, you can wave, do a magical hocus pocus spell. It's entirely up to you. I don't really care. No, I do care. Just do a snap. It's just as impressive. And then you spread the cards, and then you should have them all face down back in order except for their selection. And then you just say ta-da. Anyway, that's how it's done. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe, because I do upload quite frequently. And make sure you leave a comment down below as well, and let me know how you went with the trick. Go bamboozle your friends or family and let me know how you go with it. I will catch you guys next time. Make sure you look after yourself. There's no one more important than you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.